Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we're making a super simple and surprisingly stylish kitchen knife block, using books. A knife block is a safe and organized way to store kitchen knives. It protects the blades, keeps them easy to reach and prevents accidents. Plus, a DIY version, like this one made with books, adds charm to your kitchen. Gather your supplies. 4 large hardcover books. Choose ones with coordinating spine colors. Hot glue gun and glue sticks. Jute rope or thick twine. Scissors. Choose your books. Pick 4 large hardcover books that are thick and sturdy. Remove the dust jackets to reveal the spine and covers. Choose books that match your kitchen or personal style. Arrange the books. Line up the books vertically, spine facing out as you'd like them to appear on your counter. Make sure they're flush at the bottom and evenly stacked side by side. Glue the books together. Use hot glue along the edges where the books meet to secure them together. Press firmly and hold for a few seconds until the glue sets. Do this between each book until all 4 are glued into a solid block. Wrap with jute rope. Once the glue has dried, wrap the jute rope tightly around the entire stack of books at least 2 times. Tie it off in the front or side and trim any excess. Add a bow tie, a small jute bow around the rope for a decorative touch. This adds a bit of charm and farmhouse flair. Insert your knives. Carefully slide your kitchen knives between the pages of the books. The tightly packed paper holds them snugly and safely in place. And that's it, your very own DIY knife block made from books. It's a fun, functional, and stylish way to reuse old books while keeping your kitchen organized. Give it a try and let your personality shine right on your countertop. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes, we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.